Welcome to the Drive-In. Tonight's movie is a brand new classic presented by Light Elegance. Please feel free to help yourself by our complimentary popcorn stand. Sit back, relax, and we hope you'll enjoy tonight's show. Nothing says summer like a drive-in movie on a warm July night. And this year, Light Elegance want you to feel that excitement and anticipation you get while waiting for the movie to start. The Drive-In collection contains 6 brand new Oscar-winning on-trend colors for the summer. And thanks to Light Elegance color and trend specialists, you can safely match these shades in any way you like to create your own little movie right on your nails. Twilight Date Night is your muddy summer turquoise. Whether you like old brain twisting sci-fi horrors or teenage vampires, this perfect mix of blue and green will have you hooked from start to finish. Are you one of those people who always finish the popcorn and snacks just in time for the movie to start? Luckily, previews and popcorn will last the entire movie and then some. A carnation pink with a slightly warm satin finish. With this innocent shade on your nails, you can be sure to be the virgin who survives the horror movie at the end. There's nothing like watching a movie under the moonlight. This muddled gray meets lavender will definitely make your date want to hold your hand. Just make sure to watch out for rapid hair growth and fangs on your nightly companion. Then you might want to take your muddled gray meets lavender hand and start running. Oh, those summer nights. It's love at first sight looking at this soft tangerine orange. And yes, I can definitely tell you more. Summer days will drift away wearing this stunning shade and might even attract a Travolta or two. Oh well, oh well. If you're into some backseat necking, then this color will not disappoint you. If you are looking for a showstopper, then this is it. An irresistible, cool-toned, creamy neon pink that will have you wearing turtlenecks for days. Do you like nude shades and chocolate brown? Then why not get 2 for 1 in this double feature? A milk chocolate brown with a lot of milk. A killer deal and color that is both fashionable and fun. And that sums up the drive-in, where the ugly high school girl turned out to be a hottie, the virgin survived, and we all need to go back to the future. This motion picture will be out on a VHS store near you on May 27th. You'll also be able to grab it at lightelegance.com and with your closest distributor. All actors in this movie are chemo-free, nine-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan, and they do believe that what's inside matters. Thank you for visiting our drive-in. We hope that you have enjoyed your stay, and please make sure to take your garbage with you as you leave. If you like tonight's movie, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more entertainment like this. We're wishing you a happily ever after. And remember, we'll be back.